Hi everyone, it's Andrea here. So this is increase round 2 for the peplum. So this is where I ended and joined for the first round. We chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will count as 1 double crochet and 3 chains. So I will mark my third change over here to be the beginning of the round, and I make a double crochet into the same stitch, first stitch. So you will have something like this. This is equally with 1 double crochet, chain 3 and 1 double crochet. We're gonna chain 3, skip all the chains over here and put 1 stitch into the top of the cluster. You can either put here or put here, it's up to you, it doesn't matter. So I will put here. So it's actually on top of the chain 4, not the cluster, but I feel this is the way to make the things less pull out. Chain 3, yarn over into the next single crochet over here. We're gonna put 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet. So 1 double crochet, chain 3, and 1 double crochet into the same single crochet, and chain 3. Next cluster, put 1 single crochet. So we will create the pattern look like this. And another chain 3, 1 double crochet, chain 3, and 1 double crochet into the same single crochet, chain 3, and 1 single crochet into the next cluster. We will continue to do until the end of the round, and we will slip stitch to the third chain of the turning chain, the 6 chains over here, which is the one that I marked at the beginning of the round. So I'm at the end and the last few changes and stitches to complete the round 2. Over here I'm gonna chain 3, put 1 single crochet into this cluster, the last cluster, chain 3, and then slip stitch to the third chains over here. So you will have the pattern like this.